If you've been considering a Shadowspec umbrella or have purchased a Shadowspec umbrella and want to know a little more about how to assemble it, then this video is for you. I'm Andrew Pullen, CEO from Spa World, and today we're going to unbox a Shadowspec Serenity umbrella, and then we're going to erect the umbrella on the base, fit the sail, and explain the process to you. Right, now that we have the base together, we are going to unbox our Shadowspec Serenity umbrella. Nice big sturdy box that it comes in. All right, we're going to remove the shipping material. Now just bear in mind that in these polystyrene sections, they do have the tools for putting everything together. They also have, in this one, a pot of grease for lubricating the mechanism. So we're just going to put those to the side. You've also got the canopy. So the canopy that we've ordered with this one is a nice navy blue. It is acrylic canvas and it's got that wonderful Shadowspec warranty. Very importantly, we have the owner's manual and instructions. And then of course, we've got the business end of the umbrella, which is the mast assembly. So I'm going to ask Jay to step in and help me lift this out because there's quite a weight in it. Just so we don't damage the mast on the rough concrete, I'm just going to slip the canopy underneath whilst we work on the spigot end. Right, we're going to remove the spigot so that we can set it up on the base. So there's a lever around here, you just push it, it clicks out, open it up. There's a little Allen key under here, just requires a few turns, and then you can lift and slide and the spigot slides straight out so that we can fix it onto the base. Just while I've got the spigot, you'll notice there's a handy level gauge on the top of it to ensure that the spigot is mounted exactly vertically before you fit the mast over it. Next we're going to stand the mast up over the spigot, make sure that the locks are down on the wheels if you're using the movable base, and make sure that the lever that controls the rotation is out. So we're just going to pick it up, bend on the knees, okay, so place it over. I'm going to walk towards you. Definitely a two-person job. There we go, locked into place. So we just have to retighten that Allen key back onto the spigot so the mast can't lift up over the top of the spigot. We're now going to fit the canopy over the mast and frame. Probably the trickiest part of the assembly, but certainly not too bad. So the first thing you need to do is half erect the umbrella to a sort of a natural position. It will come into a resting position naturally without you pushing it up into full lock. That's going to allow us to drape the canopy up and down over the frame. So for this part, you are going to need a ladder and a friend. So Jay, can you hold the ladder? Just make sure that there is the spar that goes back to the mast has got Velcro along the top of it so you can identify it. That needs to match up with the side of the canopy that has the Velcro on it as well. So you go up the ladder and throw it over the top basically. So to Velcro the canopy to the central spar here, you need to have pushed the umbrella to full extension. So start at the bottom with the two-sided Velcro, and you want to line up the screw at the bottom, like so, and then fit the Velcro up the spar, right up to the top, and then you pull the other half over and that runs down on top. So I've just backed out the Allen screw at this point, and I'm just I'll put the eyelets over and I'm just tightening back down, and that's going to fasten the canopy to the frame. There we go, just like so. Now once that one's in place, you can work your way around the rest, just backing the Allen screws out, putting it through the eyelet, fastening it back down to the end of the spar. Okay, so now that you've screwed the canopy into position, you can check the tension by sliding the umbrella up to full extent. Okay, so now that the umbrella is fully erected, to rotate the umbrella, you simply pop this lever out and you can push it one way or another. All Serenity and Unity umbrellas ship with an LED light in the hub of the umbrella. The battery pack and control system is optional, however. Check out our website for more details. When you are done using the umbrella for the day, it does come with a handy securing strap, so you can unfurl it and strap it up against the mast like so, nice and secure. All right, so I hope that was helpful to those of you who have watched. We assembled it in a little under an hour with the help of my good friend Jay. So thanks for watching, and for further information, check out sparworld.com.au or sparworld.co.nz. Thanks very much.